All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. This will be my first autocross of 2018. The Metro Club of New York had two autocrosses earlier this year. I wasn't able to go to them, so this will be my first one. It's April. It's still cold out here. It's about in the high 20 degrees this morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning. So it's going to take me about an hour 15 minutes to get to the site. So come along for the ride. Let's do some racing. Have it in regular mode, not sport mode. I'm just cruising. Have it in automatic. About to get on some really nasty road right here. Wow, look at the bumps here. Yikes, look at that. I want to bend up my rims on these potholes here. All right, but ouch. All right. Got through that rough stuff. The GTS, I'm looking forward to driving it on the autocross track. Because of my work schedule, I've been working so much, almost 7 days a week for about a full month straight. I haven't really been able to drive the GTS that much. So this will be a pleasure to get the GTS out and do a proper drive. All set up for autocross day. I'm all checked in, went through tech inspection. Let's see what other cars are in the paddock. Here's Spencer's car. Spencer just told me he got a brand new 991.2 GT3. He's driving his 4S today, but he's still breaking in the GT3. I cannot wait to see that GT3, especially doing autocross in full chat. But today he's got the 4S, which still looks good. Always like those Turbo 2 wheels on the 4S. Good luck today, Spencer. All right, got the Boxster here too. He's got the all season still on there, so he's like me. This GT4 is a beast. It's great to see it still running out here. It's great to see. Cool Camaro. Love this thing. Cayman. I think this M540 is competing, but it's a good looking car. This is one of my favorite 5 Series. Man, I love this 997. It's got so many modifications to it, but boy, it looks good. It's all hooked up just right. I love the stance. He did a lot of suspension work, roll cage, racing seat. Man, it's got the works. Looks really good. Now look at this wild thing. This is an S2000 that has been modified like crazy. I mean, look at this thing. It's amazing. I wonder how something like this drives. But boy, a lot of work went into this. Boy, it's something else. And this GT4 is amazing. Usually the driver of this car posts the fastest time of the day. Let's see what happens. And I love these Fiats. And look at how they're modified. This one's pretty clean, but this red one, oh my goodness, it is hooked up. We're about to do the drivers meeting, headed by Dan, the president of PCA Metro New York, as well as the head of Autocross. Looks like we got a lot of participants today.
How's everybody doing today? Cold. Warming up? Feel good? Yep. I'd like to thank everybody for coming today to the third Autocross event of the season, titled the No More Snow Autocross. Now you said that. We'll work on cold next week. Okay, give me the next one. Okay, Tom.
He drives first heads.
He drives first heads. Heads. Yeah. Okay, so A is driving first. There's going to be a brief novice meeting right after this. B goes to your workstation. Make sure you check in with Ed Trainer.
All right, guys, so we just finished the drivers meeting, and I have to work the cones first. All right, so I've got to go out to my workstation. This S2000 is the business. So as I'm at my workstation, if someone hits a cone, I run out and pick it up and correct that and call it in if necessary. But what I like to do is watch other people drive and look at the lines that they take through the cones. And I try to learn from what I'm seeing. So it's very helpful to observe, especially some of these experienced drivers do their thing. All right, y'all, after working the course, picking up cones for other drivers, it was my turn to drive. So here we are all lined up, getting ready to go. Let's see how we do. All right, guys, so how did I do today? Well, I did a total of 9 laps. My first 4 laps were pretty rough. You know, I could tell I'm a little rusty from not being involved with autocross since last year. And I also have winter tires on, which really do make a difference. But some of the mistakes I made were not due to those winter tires. It was driver error. I just missed a couple of gates on a couple of runs, so those runs are out. So you run 4 laps in the morning, and then we ran 5 laps in the afternoon. Those 5 laps in the afternoon were much better, and didn't miss any gates, but I could tell that I'm on these winter tires, boy. The winter tires are very slippery. The car was moving around a lot. The good news is it was a lot of fun to drive, to have a car that was a handful like this. It was really entertaining to drive, but not good or conducive to doing fast times. But the car was so much fun. It was moving around me. I had it set in Sport Plus. Sport suspension was on, and the car was moving around a lot. In the morning runs, I was in Sport, and the car was not as playful as Sport Plus in the afternoon. So anyway, that was fun. And then my last run was 48.4 seconds. So I'm sure most guys here smoked me. I mean, I heard some guys were down in the 41s. You know, so my time was not that great, but I can tell you my time was a very, very entertaining time to hit. It was so much fun. So I'll have to see in the award ceremony who got first, who got second, and what the fast times are. So we'll find that out in a little bit.
Okay, so now for the results. Okay, so in S1 with 2 cars, first place with a time of 45.385 seconds goes to Mitch Hackett. Thank you, Mitch. Second S2 with 2 drivers. I'm sorry, 1 driver. Second place goes to. First place goes to Manny Gonzalez. With a time of 50.142 seconds. Beautiful. S5 with 3 drivers, second place with a time of 43.534. Spencer Martin. All right. Second place. Spencer Martin, first place with a time of 41.627. Adil Abdulali. Second time. Nice. Okay, X3 with 17 drivers, second place with a time of 42.090. Tala Sadiq. Hey. Tala, she won. Thank you. Don't.
What'd I do? I'm giving like a second place.
So, you know.
Oh, my bad, dude.
First place with a time of 41.983. 2003 Corvette, number 892. Woo! Chris, 720.
That was a joke.
Good job. Good job.
Good job. Thanks for having us. There's a rival
This
here.
is their last event.
Kansas and Jersey? No, they kick us out. They don't even give us. Oh, we did a salute. They're gonna hit your trophy. Get out of here. They throw it at us. Yeah.
With a time of 41.627 seconds. Adil Abdulali.
Yeah.
Woo! It's such a big deal.
I like this guy.
Still can't come back.
I'm totally giving Alexis a second place.
Fastest Paxton day with a Pax time of 39.337. Adil Abdulali.
Woo! Oh my God. I need a trailer.
Show them how it's done. Okay, excellent event, guys. Thank you for coming.
All right, y'all. The autocross, my first autocross of the year, is now over, and I'm heading home, and it was a great time. I was way off the pace, but that's okay. I still had a lot of fun, and you could feel the car just like clawing for grip. It just didn't have it. The tires just don't have it. But that's what you get with winter tires. Winter tires have all the extra cuts and snipes and sipes, and all the tread blocks are chopped up. So it really prevents, you know, a good contact with the ground. It's great for snow, great for rain, but terrible for autocross. It's okay because I still had a lot of fun. I left there with a big smile on my face. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit like if you did and subscribe to the channel to see more. And I'll see you in the next video, guys.